ask me, my dear?
Don't tell you, man. Why women so fool, most of them?
Why you say the woman them fool?
Most of them, you get me? Not all of them, no, most of them still.
Most of them fool. Most of the
Yeah,
woman
man, and
them
they
fool.
make the woman them have sense look stupid, you feel me?
Yeah.
Cause John was me ask you already said more time you have a girl and you rate her, you see me?
Yeah.
And your sister she need a certain things.
Right.
And you was a real man now, you say you know see that girl that she really want the club.
Yeah, you help her because you love her and you respect her.
Yeah, you know what I mean? Maybe you see good in her, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
You say I gotta help that chick yeah. And before the blood clot girl take the help. She run down and tell her friends that she find a little fool money which she and
Well, you know, she fool and not the man. And she fool because guess what? When you get a little something from the man, and you go walk and say the man and damn you out. And the man hear that, you know, don't figure yourself free pussy you want to walk on the man. A free pussy you want to walk on the man. Because if a man give you something for your pussy, and you walk on and tell people in my boopsy, and you name him out. Are you fool?
She lost.
Because you're gonna walk around and give everybody free fuck me for free, I don't need anything. And when a man hear that you know want working hard money and you and the next big batty girl along the road ready to take you, you idiot. And next big batty girl ready to go spread out body just so. So when you have a man that check for you and a girl do something, you know what talk to the man that idiot because no used to get nothing. Them big girl when I used to get nothing. When a girl start talk about say the man you about a man, them no used to get nothing. Because you know them about a man if you don't live in a two house. You can't name about a man if you don't have car and van and have a bus to drive on the road. And if you take all that from the man, that take more and more what you have. And you know no use him that me and you about the man. But if the man that walks your ass good and when he set that dick in that pussy, you call for mercy, bitch. You're playing yourself. You know you're playing yourself. That motherfucker hit you up good and he taking care of you. You want to walk around and suck dicks for free? You're an idiot. Listen, ladies, when you get a man taking care, hold on to him. Treat him nice if he treat you nice. And take what you can get. My grandmother would say, beat the iron while it's still hot.